Hi friends, welcome to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl and I love decorating with style, and I love to go thrifting for my home decor because I always like to decorate my home with style on a budget. One of the ways I do that is by going to my local peddler's market or thrift stores to look for unique items that I can pick up for my home and just elevate it up a notch so that it doesn't look so much like everyone else's home and what everyone else has in their homes. I like my own unique style. And in this field trip, we are going to look for some emerald green decor or some serveware. But before we do that, I want to thank today's video sponsor, who is Lichico. To share with you today's video sponsor, who is Lichco Fitness. So I told you guys I want to go on a health journey. I want to get healthy and lose a few pounds for the upcoming holidays. So when Lichico first reached out to me, I thought this is perfect. This will help me reach my health goals and I can do it from the comfort of my own home. All right, so here is the Lichico Smart Home Gym. Very compact, so I don't think it will take up a lot of space at all. So we're going to take it out of the box, and hopefully it doesn't require too much putting together, and we'll see what it's all about. It says it has advanced weight precision, scales up to 220 pounds, 360 dynamic toning, sculpt every muscle group, no limits, and cutting edge EMI drive, high powered workouts. So yeah, maximum tension, looks like it's 220 pounds, which is sufficient for us. So yeah, let's get it out of the box. So these are all the components. You see that? All the components that come with it. Have these tables similar to what you would see at the gym. These would just clip on here in some way. They come with this little training bag, this little band. Here are the clips. Comes with two of these handles. This bar is this. to get started, this is the use and care booklet that comes with the product. Pisano is part of the Lichico brand, and Unitop, which is the fitness station. It's an all-in-one fitness station here. As you can see, it's turned on. Unitop is part of that fitness brand as well. So what you get is the fitness trainer. Again, you can see it right there. And it comes with a lot of different options, guys. So you have, it's like, I lost my page. Okay, so here we go. It comes with a lot of different options. You can see here is the base station that has the, where you can adjust the tension. It has a weightlifting bar. It has handles, which are currently on the machine itself. It comes with a belt. It comes with a USB charging cable. It comes with a tricep rope, a hand grip, and ankle straps as well. So I thought this would be perfect. So what you do, okay, so here is the machine itself. This is how it looks. It has 2 standing pads on the side. You are always supposed to stand on the pads while you are working out. This is how you turn the machine on, by pressing a button. You can adjust the tension up or the tension down. I have the straps currently on, and we are going to do some little tricep curls with the machine. So I am going to change the resistance down, because we're just getting started, to 10 on each side. And yeah, we're going to start our workout. You can place it anywhere in your home. It's very portable. So we're going to step on the machine, and we're going to pull up and go down. The Unitop trainer can be a small portable home gym where you can exercise all your muscle groups at home. It has an app that you can download that targets different parts of your body. You have your shoulders, your legs, your glutes, your hamstrings. It has a 360 traction. It has precision adjustments. It has a dual electromagnetic motor. It has, like I said, the app that can guide you and track how you are performing in your workouts, and it has very low noise. The U-Trainer has increments of 0.5 kilograms with 100 levels and a maximum resistance of 100 kilograms. The resistance can be adjusted separately on both sides, allowing 2 people to exercise at the same time with different resistances. It's an equivalent to a 220-pound dumbbell combined. The Lichco Fitness Power Station is safer than dumbbells and has a recovery force close to 0. So I want to thank Lichico for reaching out to me, asking me if I wanted to try their home gym. I absolutely love it. I think I will get tons of great results from the product. I have to get my form together. You can see my form's a little not in proportion here, but once I get my form together, I know this is going to be great. So thank you, Lichico, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Now on to our thrifting adventure.
just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me? Oh, I hope that someday you will notice every little thing I do for you. Like the time I went to buy you flowers, 'cause you said your favorite one is blue. Do you even care when I say someday you will notice every little thing I do for you? Like the time I went to buy you flowers, 'cause you said your favorite one is blue. Do you even care when I say, oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me? I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me?
So that was my thrift visit, and let me show you some things that I picked up while I was out thrifting. So I'm always talking to you guys about how to save money and decorating with style on a budget. So these are just a few of the things that I picked up while I was out thrift shopping, and as you can see, I think I did pretty good. I mean, these things look very high end to me. They're not, you know, really cheap items, but I did pay cheap prices for them. So to start with, we're gonna start with this really nice vase. It's really large. It is in the green color that I like and will be using to decorate for fall. And as you can see, I picked up this glass for $3. Also, we have its smaller cousin. They were both 2 for $3. I don't know if you can see that. 2 green for $3. So $1.50 for each, which was a really great deal. Don't mind what you see over to the left. That's another haul. This vase I picked up also while out thrifting. You know, it's similar to something that I have seen at Z Gallery, and correct me if I'm wrong, is this a Z Gallery vase? I think it is, but leave me a comment down below and let me know. So I picked this vase up for $10. It's very large. I want to say it looks like it's about 27 inches tall. And then this one I also picked up, and it was $7. Again, a very nice price. And I also picked up these mercury glass candle holders. Again, a very nice price. They were $4 a piece. So I absolutely love those. You cannot go wrong with mercury glass. And then last but not least, I picked up these really pretty iCat napkin placemats, and they were a set of 4 for $12. Very nice quality. Again, in the green theme that I'm going to be using for fall. And I absolutely love them. Very thick, very nice, high quality. So I thought $12 was a really good price, even though a little more than I would normally spend when I'm out thrifting. So those are the items I picked up. So always keep an open mind when you are out thrifting. You can always find some wonderful pieces on a budget and at a very budget friendly price. So if you have enjoyed today's thrift with me and haul, please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are not yet a family member, I would so love it if you would join the family. I have lots of home decorating tips on this channel. I am inspired by restoration hardware, so you will see a lot of that as far as DIYs and how to thrift for restoration hardware inspired home decor. But I am also a modern glam lover as well as just really modern in general. Not so much modern glam, although these two pieces are very glam indeed, but modern in general. So if you are into those types of things, I would love to have you join the family. So yeah, I really like what I picked up, and I hope you do as well. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.